Hi teachers, welcome back. We know how busy your school days can get, so today's mission is simple. We want to show you exactly how KaiBot is going to become your new best co-teacher. We have built a robust new learning portal just for you. This is where you'll come to find all of your amazing lessons that are all standards and curriculum aligned. Whether it's maths, literacy, science, inquiry, we've got it covered. So come with me now and we'll have a look just how easy it is. Let's kick things off with Project Future Math in Action. This project is a game changer for maths and computer science teachers. So many times we've heard a lot of maths teachers saying, hey, I can't teach computer science, it's too hard. We've got the answer for you right here. So many of our maths things are aligned perfectly to computer science. So this program is an amazingly built program designed by Marquette University as well as Sacred Heart University to combine both maths and coding together. Let's have a look at what those lessons entail and the curriculum that they're aligned to. Project Future Math in Action is an amazing program built for maths and computer science teachers. It's designed for your K through to 6th grade. This is where they can come and have a hands-on experience where they're learning things like algorithms, sequencing, and really getting a taste of some of those maths and coding things alike. Let's have a look exactly what curriculum and things they're aligned to. So to find your amazing Project Future Math in Action program, you will come to our Learn portal, learn.kaiseducation.com. You will then go into your KaiBot and find lessons. You'll then see it's first on the list here, Project Future Math in Action. Once you click on the program, you will see that there will be multiple tabs depending on the country that you live in. Once you select your country, you will be able to see the framework and all of the standards that these lessons are aligned to. When you scroll down further, this is where you'll see the project overview. As we mentioned, this program is designed for K through to 5 learners, and it's all based with your KaiBot and your Abstract Math in Action program. Once you're ready, you can then download and select and read on all about our Math in Action program. As we mentioned, this is the perfect place for K through to 5 learners. As you can see here, each grade has 3 lessons available to tick through. Once you select the lesson that you're ready to learn with, you can see it's a fully packed lesson plan. You've got your full overview, your things that they will need to understand and know and do. You've got your full list of standards that they're aligned to, your materials needed, the vocabulary used for the students, as well as some prior knowledge and introduction to the coding cards. This lesson has got everything you need to know. It's nice and easy with different QR codes to link back to many tutorials and guides, as well as lots of assessment guides and prompting questions you can talk through with your students. Once they've completed the lesson, you can see we've got an Explore guide, which is your worksheet for your students to then complete. As you can see, these lessons are an amazing place for teachers to come through and have a look and see what standards their lessons can be aligned to and how they can integrate it into the classroom. So I can hear some of you saying, what else can we do for our early learners? Don't worry, KaiBot's got you covered. Introducing Market Math. This is the perfect resource to add to your KaiBot collection for K to 3 teachers. Your children all love to learn more about math when they're playing KaiBot and Market Math. Let's have a look at those standards that they're aligned to and the lessons that are available all through our learning portal. We have everything you need to know just right here. Everything's available once you purchase your KaiBot or your classroom set. If you get stuck along the way, don't hesitate to call us or email us for further information. KaiBot is here to make your classroom more engaging, more exciting, but less prep time and less stressful for your teachers. Stick with us and see in the next video what other sort of lessons you can have that are all curriculum aligned.